Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to change about this one. So we change s equals to negative t because s change to negative t when s go to negative infinity. We need to change s into negative t. So negative with negative, you got about positive. So this one we change by this one. S we change by negative t. Similar for this one. Negative, negative, you got about positive. This one we have t square. Next, we divide by t on numerator and denominator. So 3 divided by t, t divided by t, t divided by t, you got about number 1. About this one, this one can go inside about the square root. So they should be like this. So 2t square divided by t square, number 1 divided by t square. So when t approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0, this one you got about 0. So we have 1 over the square root of number 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.